Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Motorola Razr 40 for a senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate the accessibility. Here we can change the display size and the text. You can change the font size so that the text becomes much bigger, and there's also options to change the display size, and that makes all of the icons and switches bigger. There's option to enable bold text, that's even more bigger, and option to enable high contrast text, and that's the option for preference. You can check if it works for you. Then we can go back, and there's also options to change the motion remove animations, which reduces motion sickness on this device, and I recommend to enable it. Now let's go back, and one last thing is to go for magnification. Here you can activate this option, and then it will act as a magnifier on your phone. You can click on that icon that is floating around the screen, and it will zoom in onto your screen like that. You'll be able to read things better. Let's click on that icon again to close it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.